Hello everybody, it's Claire back with the second project for the month of May for Scrap FX. So today I'm working in this Dina Wakley journal and just prepping the page with a little bit of gesso. Then I am adding the fountain pen collage paper from Scrap FX. I'm just using some gel medium to stick that to the page. This collage paper is the Sketching No. 2 by Michelle Logan. This is a lovely one. It's got lots of different patterns and texture in it. It's great for adding some variety into the background when you are popping some collage material down. So then I'm just using a bit of gesso and my finger, and I'm just kind of blending the edges of the collage paper into the background. So today I'm going to be using some Dylusions paint. I got this for my birthday, so it was time to get it out and have a go with it. So I'm starting off with Postbox Red and then Tangerine Dream, and I'm just blending the colours as I go along. So you can see that I am washing my brush in between and then just dabbing it onto that piece of kitchen roll at the side, just to take some of the excess water off my brush. So I've used Postbox Red, Tangerine Dream, Pure Sunshine, Fresh Lime, Polished Jade. This one I wasn't really sure about, but it looked okay. Then Calypso Teal. Oh, and these are the shimmer paints as well. You can probably tell there is a little bit of a shimmer in the background. Bubblegum Pink, and then I used the Postbox Red again at the bottom just to kind of finish off the rainbow. There we go. So then I'm using the Zebra Circle stencil, also from Scrap FX, with some white acrylic paint, and just adding that onto the background just in a few places, just to try and start to break up the colour that I've just added. So this stencil, you can't really see it just yet because it's brand new, I've not used it before, is from Scrap FX, and this is called the Modern Girl stencil. These are some really cool silhouettes of girls. It also comes with like a mask that you can use as well, so you can expect to see this stencil again in my journaling. So I'm just using some black paint. This is Black Marble from Dylusions, and a blending sponge, a makeup sponge, and I'm just adding these onto the page. I wanted this to be quite a fun page, so, and these figures just kind of made me think that they were having a great time and loving life. So then I'm just adding a bit of mark making onto the background, just using some coloured Posca pens, sticking with the colourful theme, and just adding some dots and dashes, just kind of where the colours, putting the dots and dashes where the colours match. So then I'm just using this Stays On ink in Fuchsia Pink, and the 9 dot stamp. And then I'm using a Signo Uniball in white, and I'm just adding a little bit of doodling on, a bit of some lines and outlining some of the circles and doing some more circles on the page as well. And then I'm just doing some journaling just up the sides of the ladies. It really stands out well, doesn't it? The white pen on the black, it's quite striking. So now it was time to put some colour on this Loving Life wordlet from Scrap FX. So I am using Bubblegum Pink from Dylusions and just carefully painting this on. It is quite delicate, so you do have to be quite gentle when you do this. I love these little wordlets, they're great just for adding an instant sentiment to an art journal page. So once that was dry, I then decided that it needed some contrast behind it, so a little bit of black, which I stuck in place using some double-sided tape. and a little bit of glue as well. And then to stick the words in place, I just used some PVA glue and just carefully popped it on the back. The good thing about that is it does dry clear, so it doesn't matter the places where it's kind of squeezing out. So then I'm using the white Signo Uniboard just to add some more mark making onto that black, just to kind of make it more part of the page. So there's the finished page. I hope you've enjoyed this project for Scrap FX. See you again soon.